is Creative Fabrica going to release something similar to Canva? And is the name of Creative Fabrica online design tool going to be Spark Flow? That's the question of the day. That's the question we are all asking at the moment. I received a link to join the waitlist for Creative Fabrica Spark Flow, and I shared this link to my Facebook group, and I'm going to show you now the result of what my Facebook group people did. So once you click on that link, it's down below in the video description. You need to put in your valid email and click on get early access. And after you do that, you're going to see your position in queue of the waitlist. And as you can see, I'm number 1. And that is the result of perfect community in my Facebook group. Thank you very much. You made me number 1. And also you will have a referral link that you can use. So the same one I'm using at the moment. If you have a bigger community, if you have a community that is interested in something like this, you can share your referral link, and you can also jump in the position queue for the wait list. But that is that. Let me now share with you how I connected dots. So yesterday, when I received email regarding Spark Flow, I did not connect the dots. But today, as I was working on Canva, I remembered a couple of months ago, we received a survey from Creative Fabrica. And in that survey, they asked, what do we want when it comes to online design tools? Not in such specific direct way, but they were asking like about fonts, design, options that we would like to have, how can we make Creative Fabrica better in a way that it is going to allow us to edit graphics online. So something along that line was in the survey. So that was the questions in that survey. Now if I combine that information with this information regarding Spark Flow, it makes me think that Creative Fabrica is going to release very soon, in next couple of weeks, something very similar to Canva. I'm not sure. This is just my educated guess, so do not take this as 100% accurate. This is just my educated guess when I connect all the dots. I'm going to tell you all the information that we know at the moment. So what we know at the moment is that Creative Fabrica Spark Flow is going to incorporate all previous work. Also, a lot of extra tools is going to be added to it. And they have a wait list if you want to become beta tester, and that's on the link down below. And you can collect your referral link and you can share it to your community. If your community is larger than mine, then you're going to push me from position number 1. I have no idea how many people are going to be let in from position 1 to X number, but at the moment I'm on position 1. And if I do become beta tester, of course, all the informations I'm going to share here with you on my YouTube channel and in my Facebook group. Now, what is Spark? In case you do not know, Spark is, at the beginning, it was a name for text-to-image art generator that Creative Fabrica developed. But as the time progressed, it became so much more. More tools are being added every day, more changes are being added every day. So it started with Create Art, and then it has Spark Writer. So let me open that up so you can see how Spark Writer looks like. Spark Writer is something similar to ChatGPT. The only difference is, I'm not sure, do you know, but in ChatGPT you need to formulate your prompts in a specific way to get specific output. When it comes to Creative Fabrica Spark, they already did that. They already narrowed it down. So if you want to generate, for example, something for your Etsy store, like a store name, bio, product listings, you don't have to come up with an idea how to make ChatGPT give you the correct answer. You can click here, for example, store name. So this is Creative Fabrica Spark Writer. for Etsy store name. So let's say we want to sell digital wall art and decor. So that is what we want to sell, and I want to have in the name of my store word art. And I'm going to click on create content, and it is going to give me suggestions for Etsy store name. So let's see what we're going to get here. Okay, and now we can check do we have something that we like, and then you can go to Etsy name checker to see is it taken, is it available. So that is what you have under Creative Fabrica Spark Writer. You have Etsy, you have greeting cards, so you have greeting cards, text generator, blog, website, advertisement, email, book. So everything is split into sections, and everything is already calibrated to give you the best output depending on what you want. So that is Creative Fabrica Spark Writer. And then we had Creative Fabrica Seamless Patterns. So that is here. I'm not sure did I published one. Let me publish one. I'm going to publish one just so you can see how that looks like when it's published. I like this one. Let's publish this one. I like this one as well. Let's publish this one. Okay, let's see it. It's done. Let's see the pattern. And the best thing here is that you can actually, you see, this is a seamless pattern, so you can test how pattern looks like using this slider here. And if you are interested in a prompt that I use for, I do not hide my prompts. So if you go to my design or Creative Fabrica store, all my prompts are open. I do not hide my prompts. Even if I could, I wouldn't, because why? Just use it, change it up, and see what you're going to get. Let's go back to Creative Fabrica Spark. So you have create transparent PNGs. So this is what I create. You see, they are transparent, so they are creating images without background, so you don't need any kind of background removal. It automatically creates an image without background. So that is crystalline. And then we have create sketches. This is also, you see, I only been testing this for 1 day, but I'm just going to go back. I believe this was released a couple of days ago or even yesterday. I'm not sure, but where was I? Create transparent PNGs. Okay, so I typed simple prompt cartoon dog. So that's it. That's my prompt, and I used each of these modules that you see here, and I'm going to show you the difference. Let's go to beginning. So this is the first one. So they go like this from left to right, and the images that I generated go from left to right. So this is the first module. So this is how the image generates. So this, I believe this one looks good. So this is number 1. This is number 2. So this is model number 2. This is what you get with the model number 3. This is number 4 from the left. This is number 5. This one looks good. And this is number 6. So let me see, did I check everything? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So this is the result. So same prompt, but different styles that you're going to get in the output. And then you have create image mixes, where you can actually upload your image. So this is what I tried with a couple of dinosaurs to see what I'm going to get when I was doing a reverse coloring book with dinosaurs. So you upload your image, and you can also add some text to match it, and then it's going to create a mix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I believe 12 images from as a variation to the image you uploaded. So all this tool that is now under Spark, it's going to become Creative Fabrica Spark Flow. And I have my reasons to believe it could be next Canva. If you also want to join the waiting list, click the link down below, share it with your community as well, and let's see what's going to happen. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you to the people in my Facebook group that is currently making me #1. And stay safe, everybody. Until next video, I'll see you down below in the comments. Bye.